To see more of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell below to be notified when I put more out.
I am on my way to work. I have a couple clients brought my good camera so I can video it in better quality. The one is a mom and daughter. The daughter, she's in my video of a week in the life, and well, I don't know what I called it. I kind of don't want to overdo the week in the life, day in the life stuff. So we got a hairstylist and just a few snippets of the clients I had for that week, a few of them. She was in there. She was the young girl that went darker. I'll put her picture right here. And now she wants to go blonder. Her mom's also coming in today, so I'm kind of doing them back to back. However, I'll do them in two separate videos. Because her mom, I think I want to do because she wants to try something different. She's my age, and she's usually blonde, and she showed me a picture right here, the ones that she sent to me. And she wants to try to do like that pinky mauve color. And I explained in the text to her that that's a color that, you know, it's two color services. It's probably going to be more than what she wants to pay for the longevity of it. I'm upfront with my clients about that. And in case it's not something she wants to have permanently, I gave her another option, and I will explain that in the video as I do it. So that'll be a fun one, so stay tuned for that. And her daughter, she likes this picture. She wants to go lighter, and clearly I explained that will take a couple sessions, because I want to be careful with the hair. That's my number one goal with any client, is that their integrity of their hair is most important, and I don't want them to even have some damage. I mean, there's going to be some damage, but anyways, in her video I will explain that also. So anyways, I'm on my way to the salon. It's a full day for me. I work 3 days a week now in the salon because I'm also doing photography. Even though it's winter and I'm not really working on photography, I'm working on my website and kind of getting that together. Like I said, more organized 2020. I have not really been very active on my channel. It's been crazy trying to organize my schedule for photography and for the salon. It was busy before Christmas, and I've been kind of out of the loop for the few weeks because I just had so many things happen. Like I feel like, okay, hopefully I got all the bad luck out of the way, and that means that we're starting fresh for the new year. Before Christmas, our oven took a crap. It's like, oh, great, at Christmas time. And then, like, the whole week of Christmas, I had, thank goodness, being self-employed, I wasn't planning on working anyways. I was home with the kids. I had lots of plans to get my house organized. Instead, I got the flu. And mind you, I don't get sick. I just never do. Maybe being around the public all the time, I try to stay as healthy as possible, but being so busy, I haven't been taking care of myself. I was down for a good, solid, 2 weeks. And the week after was still trying to catch up. And I know a lot of people are getting sick, and I hope everybody's trying to stay healthy. And I will not go to work if I am sick. In fact, I put a thing on my page asking if you are sick, please do not come in, because I will ask you to reschedule, because I'm not about to get myself sick or my other clients sick, just out of respect for everybody. But, so I was really sick, and on 7 days into me being sick, I don't know, Michigan, where I'm at, there was a lot of rain, and our house, first time in 7 years, our sub pump couldn't keep up, and we had 16 inches of water in our basement. So turn off the heat, take everything, me and the kids. My husband was at work 300 miles away. We left with my mom, thank goodness. They were up north at their cabin for a couple weeks, so we got to stay at their house here. They just live a few miles away from me, and we stayed there, so that was nice. We were very fortunate. We had somewhere to go. We were fortunate. We had a lot of people in our life that really helped us out. Insurance took care of some things. I got a brand new washer and dryer out of it. I got a brand new stove, and we got a brand new deep freezer. But besides the fact that just kind of really hit us hard, and of course my husband, us being self-employed, when he had to be home. He had a lot of stuff to take care of in the basement. He wasn't working. Being self-employed, we don't have paid time off. We don't have paid vacation days. We don't work. We ain't getting paid. We had that going on, and now slowly, carefully, we're just trying to get our lives back together. And I'm being very good at looking at the positive outcome. It could have been worse. You know, we could have had a fire. There's a lot of things that could have happened. I was able to salvage our pictures that got drowned. Ironically, the week I was sick for Christmas, that part of my goals was to organize and clean the basement and go through our shelves, our storage area, and get rid of shit. Well, we did do that. Not how I wanted it to be, but it happened. So, new year, new us, and I am gonna start taking better care of myself. Try to send some better food with my husband. So I did start Weight Watchers again because that helped. I lost last year before my surgery. I lost 17 pounds on it. But this is part of my breakfast. It looks really green and nasty, but it's amazing. And I know a long time ago I said I wanted to do a video for stylists of like good meals you can prepare ahead of time and bring with you to the salon, because when you're really busy, it's hard to do. It just is. And I pack my days into 3 days, and I don't really double book anymore, unless it's like the mother and daughter coming in, or they're just like 2 retouches. I can do that. I don't overdo it behind the chair, because it's just, I'm getting older, and I just don't want to. So, and I feel like I was getting a little overwhelmed for a while, and my clients were not getting the best service they could get, and I want to make sure that their experience is good. I am at a new salon as of this past August. It's just me and another girl, a friend of mine. We work together. It works great. A lot of stuff went down there. I still haven't done that video. I just haven't been able to bring myself to it, or I don't know. I just haven't done it yet. But I will do it. I promise. Like I said, too many things. That video was supposed to be done over Christmas break also. Clearly it was not. This video is just basically the intro and maybe a little about my life video that I wanted to bring to you guys. And I promise to really start trying a little harder to get more stuff out to you. I appreciate you guys coming to my channel and listening to me ramble. Oh, and looking at my gas tank, I have to get gas after work. One of the things of my goals is to keep my gas above a quarter of a tank. I think that's the whole thing my husband expects from me. It's like a known thing. If we're going to take my vehicle somewhere, it's like, do you have any gas? It's like, it's questionable. I don't run out of gas ever, but it's definitely one of those things that, you know. Oh, and I think my first client's here, like, early. So I'm going to get out of the vehicle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.